Hey guys, welcome to the first video on this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the stupidest way to cook steak, and that's in a fireplace. Don't forget to wash your hands. What you will need is a chopping board, spatula, knife, pan, cooking oil or butter, it's optional, steak, and can't forget, fireplace. Step 1. Get your chopping board, knife, and steak. Step 2. Pull the steak out and put it onto the chopping board. Step 3. Cut the steak to the size that you like. Once you've got your oil and pan, put as much oil as you'd like into the pan. Last step before cooking it is to season it. So you want to get your salt and your pepper. You want to just sprinkle it onto the steak. And pepper. You want to flip it and do it on the same. Do the same on the other side. Sprinkle a bit. Bit of pepper, just rub it, and you should be ready to cook. Okay, so we've got the fire up and running. We've got this pot of water just in case, something goes bad. So we've also got the steak here, and we're gonna put it in. We've also got this wood piece right here, just so you can have a thing on the handle. Yeah. Yeah, that should be good. Was it? Okay, it's finished now. Oh, that looks nice. Don't drop it, don't drop it, don't drop it. Okay. Oh, that looks nice. Okay.
What we do here is go back.
Taste test. Let's go.
Let's do this.